Tarot friends, this is Ultraviolet Morgan, and I'm here to give the rules for the giveaway. I have reached 500 subscribers, and so I've decided to do a giveaway for my subscribers. And the prize will be one free 10-card Celtic Cross reading. The contest rules will be as follows. You have 5 chances to win. I will post 5 unboxing videos with a way to win in each video. Watch the unboxing, listen for the code word, enter the code word into the comments. You must be a subscriber to enter the contest, and you may enter one time for each video. So again, watch the video. Somewhere in the video, I will tell you what to enter in the comments in order to be entered. And one entry will count for each person. The winner can be anywhere in the world because the prize will be a video reading with me. So I don't have to worry about shipping. So anywhere that you can see this video, you can enter. And once I have all 5 videos and entries, I will announce when the contest will end, and then I will do a live drawing to select the winner. So it's basically pretty simple to enter. Subscribe and participate in the channel. Become a part of my tarot community and one of my tarot friends. What else do I want to mention? If you have any questions about the rules, please post them in the comments below. I'm going to, what I'm going to do, as I said, is when I announce that the deadline, then I will go through all of my comments and I will write down for each person who entered their name one time on a physical paper slip, and I'll put them all into a bowl, and I will draw the name live. So it should be fun. The contest may be open for a while. I assume it will be, as I said, I'm going to do 5 unboxings. And that could take a little while. But before I close it, I will announce a closing date. So, contest, as of today's date, contest entries will be open as soon as the first unboxing goes up. I will not be doing so I'll still be doing lives, but you can't really enter during lives. You have to watch the unboxings in order to enter. But we will talk about it during lives, and we'll let you know, and we'll remind you of how you can win. So I'm excited. I hope you're excited. And I look forward to seeing you. I've got plenty of videos to unbox. I will be unboxing the Z Tarot. I will be unboxing, let me see. Wow. Fortuna tarot deck. I will be unboxing Anne Stokes Gothic Oracle, Tarot Apocalypsis, which doesn't even fit in the camera right now, Forest of Enchantment Tarot, which also doesn't fit into the camera as it is right now. So I do have more than 5 unboxings, just so you know. I've also got Tarot of the Magical Moments, Woodland Wardens, Sacred Forest Oracle, Northern Animal Tarot, Fairy Temple Oracle, and finally, last but certainly not least, the Victorian Romantic Tarot. So these are the unboxings that I do have coming up, and any 5 of these are likely to be featured in the contest. So, but it will be the next 5 unboxings that I do. So I'm excited. I'm looking forward to it, and I hope to see you all excited along with me and entering this contest. And may the odds be ever in your favor. And again, any questions, please post down below. Thank you very much. Until next time, tarot friends, be well.